Hello everyone, hope you are fine. In this video, I would like to talk how we can move data between commands. In another term, how we can use the pipe command in Linux. So, in Linux, the pipe command, I want to show you like this. The pipe command lets you sense the output for one command to another. So, in other terms, we can redirect the standard output or input of one process to another for further processing. So we'll show you an example. So first, the syntax for the pipe command is like this. We put the command number one, then we put the pipe character like this between the command number one and the command number two. So, and we can also redirect the output, standard output of command number two by using another pipe character to the command number three, and so on. So, like this. So, what I would like to show you is using the or typing the command one. So for the example, I want to choose the command cat /etc/passwd. So the output for this command, only command number one without pipe character like this. So this command cat /etc/passwd displays all information about all users using on my system, line by line. What I can do, so I want to use all this output standard for the command number one and redirect all this result to be using as input for the command number two. And the command number two, it will be grep. I want to filter this result, grep EC2 user, like this. So grep, or by using grep EC2 minus user, I want to filter all the output for the result for the command number one, cat /etc/pcd. I want to filter the result and find the EC2 minus user, or I want to find the line which I can see EC2 minus user. So, and I want to press enter. I want to clear my screen. It's more easier to see, and like this, retype my command like this. And as you can see, the output of these two commands with pipe is only this line. Why? Because I redirected the output of this command, and by using the pipe character, I redirected all the output for this command number one, and use it as the input for the command number two, and then I execute this command to find or to list the final output. So then I can, for example, redirect this output by using another pipe and type the command number 3. And the command number 3, it will be wc minus l. And this command will count the number of line finded. So logically it will be 1 because we have only one line here, like this. And as you can see, the number 1. So another example to redirect the result, for example, I can use ls/etc like this. And as you can see, we have a lot of file. Then using redirect all this result to the command number 2. For example, it will be more. Add more, it's to display the result page per page, like this. And then I can, for example, redirect the output of command more and use it input for a command grab dir, like this, for example. So now I have only 3 lines. And also I can redirect the output of the command grab dir by using another pipe and then type wc minus l, and I have the final output is the number 3. So in one command I can use many commands. So in this example I'm using 1, 2, 3, 4 command and I have used 3 times the pipe character. So command number 1, command number 2, command number 3, and command number 4. And in each command I used the output of command number 1 as input to the command number 2, and the output of command number 2 as input for the command number 3, and finally the output of command number 3 as input for the command number 4, and then the output of the command number 4, it will be on my screen here. So that's all for my video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lecture.